Howdy, folks. So I was at the store and I saw this little 4-pack. It was only $1 for four. It's crazy. Little 4-pack of fruit stripe gum. And every single time I'm on one of Jason's lives, people are asking about fruit stripe gum. If they remember it, if they had it, if they tried it. And I've said, all I remember about fruit stripe, it was the shortest lasting flavor ever. I mean, you chew it for about 10 seconds and you're like, I want to get rid of this thing. I do know some old retro gums. I don't know if I tried, like Bazooka Joe I liked. Blackjack, I don't think I liked, and it was licorice flavored. I liked, what were those bigger, big blow? I don't know, the big fruit gum ones. And there's a new gum I like that's kind of filled with nerds. I've had that once or twice. Get them at Gumball Machines and it tastes okay. Anyways, so let's do fruit stripe gum. Out of my little 4-pack, I kept 2, and I sent 2 to the one, the only, the guy from Pennsylvania. What's this? Is pink. Jeez, it has a wrapper, another wrapper. Oh, there's a green gum inside. Hey, these colors might be deceiving, so let's get these open first. Okay, this one is wrapped in yellow. Wrapper, then wrapper. And the gum's yellow. Pink was green. Yellow is yellow. Green is... Oh, this is some compelling video, folks. I mean, green is pink. Pink is green. Green is pink. Yeah, I have a feeling that's kind of a mess up. But we'll not taste them because these have no flavor, if I remember them right. I mean, I'll chew them. I doubt I'll taste them. Pink is another pink. Now we're just getting crazy here. And this looks like red. Oh, I didn't even notice this. Red's kind of another pink. And there's tattoos on these. You can put a zebra tattoo on you. I mean, that's something. That's something. That's lame. I'll probably do it. Chew some gum. Oh, hey. It's a dancing zebra tattoo. And a partial basketball zebra tattoo. Green tastes pretty good. Oh, lime flavor. Kind of crumbly. Skateboarding zebra. No, flavor's holding out. Oh, and there it's going. It was about a minute of gum chew. Maybe a little more. Still had some flavor, but we got others to taste, and you guys don't have all night to, listen to me chew gum. When all this gum's done, I'm gonna be kicking some ass. Snowboarding zebra. Get that tattoo. Yellow's good. Flavor's holding out. I mean, I remember it dying fast. Mm. It's better than I remember. Well, I'll toss this. I might buy more because it's way better than I remember. Remember, it was crap. These are all red. There's an orange, a pink, and a red. So I don't know. Kind of cotton candy-ish. Snowboarding zebra. Oh, kind of zebra. Yeah. Only cotton candy. They've increased the flavor. I mean, just for my aesthetics in my mouth, I'd rather chew like two pieces at once of the same flavor. But oh, these taste good now. They're starting to go. No, it's not. Okay. It's not super long lasting gums, but they're gums. I don't know. Pink. Pink was probably cotton candy. This, I'm going to guess that's red. But I hear people ask about this so much on Jason's live chat. So much. When I saw it, it was a must. It was a must for me and a must to send him some. It's decent. It's cherry. Oh, it's so cheap. 4 packs of gum. I mean, the packs are a quarter each. It's decent. The final, probably orange. Oh, very exciting. Zebra on a bicycle tattoo. Partial zebra on a soccer ball. And surfing zebra is completely missing. That would be a good one. Yeah, orange has a strong flavor too. I mean, it's dying already, but it's orange. I can't say it's as bad as I remember it. Rainbow gum. That was what I was thinking of earlier. We used to always get rainbows. And they're big gumball sizes that came in a pack like a tube. I went, that's fun. No, it's not as bad as I remember. I remember it just being awful. I mean, For the price, it's still a quarter. It had to have been a dime or something then. As a kid, I don't know why I didn't like this. He must have fixed it over the years. All right, thanks, folks.